magical forest. I'm Freddy the Fox, and I'm so excited to introduce you to my amazing friends. First up, we have the energetic Monkey. Hey there, Monkey. Say hi to our new friends.
Hi, everyone. I love to swing from tree to tree and eat yummy bananas.
Next, we have our fluffy friend, Rabbit. What's your favorite thing to do, Rabbit?
Hi, little ones. I love hopping around and nibbling on tasty carrots.
Meet Ellie the Elephant. What makes you happy, Ellie?
Hello, tiny explorers. I love playing in the water and spraying it all around with my trunk.
Last but not least, we have Jerry the Giraffe. Jerry, what's your favorite thing about the forest?
Hey, little friends! I love reaching for the leaves high up in the trees and having the best view in the forest.
Wasn't that fun, friends? Now you've met Monkey, Rabbit, Ellie the Elephant, and Jerry the Giraffe. We're going to have so many adventures together in this magical forest. Stay tuned for more exciting discoveries with our fantastic forest friends. Thanks for joining us today, little explorers. See you next time in the Fun Forest. Bye-bye!